Well, welcome to my channel. We are having a question here to simplify and leave our answer in a standard form. This is the rule of indices we are going to use. When you have a power m over a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Yes. So we are going to do for each of the numbers that we have here. For 2 power 8 over 2 power 3, we have 2 power 8 minus 3 times 3 cube, this one, and then that, minus 2 times 5 squared minus, we have a 1 here that we normally don't write. So 8 minus 3 gives us 5 times 3 minus 2 is 1, so we have 3 power 1 times 2 minus 1, we have 1, so 5 power 1 is 5. 2 power 5 gives us 32. 32. So multiplying itself 5 times, 32 times 3 times 5 is 15. So now we have this 32 times 15. You can divide both sides. You can divide the 32 by 2, multiply 15 by 2 to get 16 times 30. Now multiplying 16 by 3 is easy. Finding easy ways of solving mathematics. 16 times 3 gives us 48. Then you just add your 0 to get 480. Now changing this to a standard form, the number is a bigger number. So the power will be positive. That's what you should put in mind. Let's see how it will go. 480, the point is here. Remove 1, 2. So today's direction is a positive. You have 4.8. You can add 0.80. I'm just adding 0.8 times 10 exponent 2. Because the rule says standard form should be in the form a point m times 10 power n, where the n is an integer. And then a should be greater or equal to 1 and then less than 10. Hence our answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button